Amazon is the undisputed leader in online retail, but there's a $1 trillion category in the US where it falls short, and that's groceries. But make no mistake, Amazon is coming, and it could kill your neighborhood grocery store the same way it went after bookstores. Beyond that, groceries could solve one of Amazon's biggest problems: its lackluster profits. In a 2013 letter to shareholders, CEO Jeff Bezos said he was ready to scale Amazon Fresh after years of testing the grocery delivery service in Seattle. Since then, it's expanded to parts of California, Pennsylvania, New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, and Maryland. In the US, Amazon now controls 22% of the online food and beverage market. But that market is still very small. Food and drinks sold online are expected to represent only about $33 billion in 2016, which is just 4% of the overall market. That number will double by 2021. And selling you fresh tomatoes and apples could be the key to Amazon's retail future. Not only will it boost sales, it will help Amazon with its massive shipping and fulfillment costs. Getting people hooked on grocery guarantees the frequency and density Amazon needs to make delivery more profitable. Grocery orders create regular demand to justify sending trucks into each neighborhood on a daily or weekly basis. With that infrastructure in place, any toy or book it delivers to the customer on top of that is gravy. Amazon certainly has a ways to go, but if its calculated strategy of taking over categories one by one has taught us anything, it's that even if it takes time, it's likely to deliver.